Okay, so we've got our primary key set, and you should have defined it and shared that with one of your neighbours now. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put in some other fields. So fields that would be in this table would be something sensible like name. And what we're going to do is we're going to split the name into the forename and the surname, or the forename and the family name. So forename and surname, or family name. So notice that I'm taking the time to really get these looking correctly. See, correct your little typing errors. Make sure that you're not leaving spaces. Make sure you're using capital letters where necessary. Because what you're doing here is you're really like laying the foundations of your database. Okay, and if you make little mistakes here, it gets to the point where you can't actually change and you can't correct them. So it's really important you get it right. So as you can see, the default data type comes up as short text for these, which is actually what we want them to be. But if you hit the drop down, you can see all these different data types here. So you've got short text, which is up to a field size of 255 characters. You've got long text, which is unlimited, so you could put an extended essay in there if you wanted. You've got number, and you've got lots of different kinds of number. You've got date or time, currency, yes, no, which just takes that that Boolean field. Boolean, look it up if you don't know what that means. Okay, Boolean, true, false, yes, no, and a few other little things that we will look at some of them. Okay, but your forename is obviously a piece of short text. Now you've got to ask yourself, how much space do we need in that field to store any forename in the world? Well, 255 characters is way too much. Okay, so we can drop that down. There's unlikely to be a forename bigger than 50 characters. Okay, so we can change those field properties. Okay, what I want you to do is I want you to think of some other short text fields that you would have in your table, and as well as making your forename and family name fields, add in at least a few of those fields as well. You'll find in the OneNote that there's a table design, and you can add them to there with the data types that you've put in them. Okay, once you've done that, you're ready to go on to other data types in the next video.